Good morning. The topics that I am going to present are help in the work area, 3D design, and rendering. Help in the work area. These tools are located at the bottom of the screen and are grading, force cursor, dynamic input, auto mode, polar tracking, isometric drawing, scales, chunk of space work, screen cleaner, personalization, and others. The advantage of 3D design is that you can have an object without having to elaborate the three views that are front, top, and side. In addition to looking at 10 different views, you only need to rotate the drawing. To make a brief introduction, it can be said that we are going to have three axes: X, Y, and Z, which represent the length, width, and height respectively. In addition to have at 0 and 0 coordinate which mark the origin of the drawing. First, we are going to start talking about what the render is and how to use it. The render is a tool that allows us to create layers to make our drawing graphically better, taking into account layers such as depth, texture, and other elements that will make the drawing look better. We use the render tool. What is done is adding more realism to our work. The steps to follow to make our render are to follow. First, we enter the View tab. Second, we look for the render tool. Here, we adjust the quality of the render and the rendering is done. We wait uh, and we wait for the render to be done and fill the process bar. This is all. Thank you for attention.